Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, today we shall discuss the deployment of Umbraco 11 on RedHatLinux 9 by using the MSSQL. First of all, we should know about what is the Umbraco. Umbraco is an open source content management system for building website and web application. It is written in C# and operates on the Microsoft.NET framework. Umbraco provides a flexible and extensive platform for managing digital content, making it popular among the developers, designer, and the content editor. If you need any help in Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure, CI/CD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All the video on DevOps King channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word DevOps King. You will find the channel. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In lecture number 1 of configuration and deployment of Umbraco 11 on RedHatLinux 9 by using the MSSQLServerDatabase. First of all, we shall configure the RedHatLinux 9. So for this, log into the AWS console and search for the EC2. After that, click on the EC2 link. When we click on the EC2 link, we shall find the interface, this one. On this interface, click on the launch instance, this one. When you click on the launch instance, then after that we shall find the interface, this one. On this interface, click the Red Hat, this one, RedHatLinux. As we are going to deployment the Umbraco 11 on RedHatLinux. When we click on the RedHatLinux, we shall find in the next step, we shall select the architecture of the VM, RedHatLinux. Architecture is 64, and we also select the instance type. Instance type is C5X large for the RedHatLinux. After this, in the interface below the instance type, we shall create the key pair. This PEM file will be used to connect to the EC2 instance. So when we shall create the key pair, we shall write the name of the key pair, that may be umbraco.keypair. After getting the key pair, we shall save it so that we can use it during the connection with the EC2. In the next stage, we shall check the checkbox SSH, HTTPS and HTTP. So that in SSH will help us to connect to the EC2, and the HTTPS and HTTP will help us to access the application on these protocols. After this, we shall define the storage for our EC2 instance. Storage is 10 GB. Next, after that, we shall get the summary of our EC2 instance. Summary is, we are creating the RedHatLinux. Instance type is C5X large. We shall click on the large instance. This will create the EC2 instance of Red Hat. In the next lecture, we shall discuss the deployment of the Umbraco and configuration of the MSSQLServerDatabase. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you good luck for your career.